What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to keep your car charged but your cord doesn't reach, you might want to try this. Hey guys, so I have a CTEK charger for my car here, and these are pretty popular, but depending on how you park your car and where your outlet is, you might have some trouble reaching your charger to the port to charge your car or to your battery. And so CTEK actually makes this. It is an extension cable, and it is 8+ feet long, and it's just like this. And you can see here we have an extension cord, so you can plug it into your charger and then the other portion to your battery or pigtail, or you can leave it connected to your car and then connect it to your charger, which might be easier too. So here's my trunk, and the problem with this little guy is I've installed the pigtails on the battery, and what I can't do here is, because of the way the terminals are on this side, this does not even reach out here. I'd love to have this kind of in my trunk, just kind of peeking out, but it's 6 inches too short. Now, the extension cord that CTEK makes actually is not available in different lengths, and so you have to get them in this longer length, which is just fine because it's probably better to have more than less. This could be really useful if you have a battery in the rear like I do. Park your car nose in and say have an outlet at the front. You might have to run 8 feet of cord from your battery to the charger, but in this case I just need a little bit more length. And so you can see here that this is the end that I would plug the side with the clip into. And now I have more than enough cable to plug it into my CTEK charger down here. And that would go in there just like that. And now I can charge my car. And obviously I can hide the extra cordage underneath the mat. I just need the end here popping out because I've got lots of extra plug on my charger. But these extension cords can be really, really handy. So if you need one, you can pick them up. They're pretty inexpensive. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.